I like Ford. I like GM. But, Matt, the truth is your portfolio is the one that people want. Your portfolio has the margins and the growth. So where can Marvell go when we know that everyone seems to want to just be in regular old, what they call full feature chips? You do have auto. So tell us what the future is here.
Yeah, Jim, I think we now address the sweet spot of the semiconductor industry. What we said in our investor day today is we're in a $20 billion market today. That's where Marvell operates, going to $30 billion in the next few years. So that's a growth rate of just the market alone of 13% a year, which if you look at any other major semiconductor company, nobody's in those kind of secular growth trends. The primary driver of that market growth, Jim, is cloud computing. And that's really was a lot of our big announcements today was really around how Marvell is pioneering the concept of what we call cloud optimized silicon. You hear in the headline news, you know, hyperscale companies hiring silicon teams, people investing in their own chips. Actually, we're the company behind the scenes that goes and makes it happen. And that market now is such that we can articulate as a company 15 to 20% long-term growth, driven primarily by the cloud. Then 5G, as you mentioned, that's still tracking extremely well. A lot of that's still in front of us. And then automotive, which think of us, Jim, as being in all the new future cars, the new chips for automotive, the networking chips, the computing chips, the storage chips. That's where the future of automotive is going.
Boy, Matt, I got to tell you, just on that point on your slide, our opportunity by end market, 24% data center, totally got that. I was shocked. The best is 28% auto industrial. I mean, it has that good opportunity what happens if the cycle turns down, business cycle? Or do you think demand's so strong that for cloud that it really doesn't matter?
Sure. Well, I think two aspects. The two you mentioned were data center and automotive, right? So data center, the cloud is the biggest portion of that. That is on a long-term secular growth trend that is not going to stop anytime soon. Right. And then on top of that, we have pretty substantial share gains, content gains, and opportunity. On automotive, it's growing a little bit faster. It's a smaller market for us today. But again, that's one where units don't need to grow in automotive for Marvell to win big. Think about it this way. 5 years ago, our business in automotive was approximately $0. It's currently on a $100 million run rate, but we identified we're in a market that's going to $1 billion, and we can get, you know, about 50% of that. And that's, again, that's all in front of us. And then we made one other announcement today, which was we've made an announcement around being in the compute side in automotive, which think of in automotive now, instead of the engine being kind of the key thing that people care about, they're going to care about the electronics, the computing, the networking, what enables all of these applications, enables self-driving, enables connectivity. And that's a new market for Marvell. That one's could be as high as a $5 billion market in the next few years. And again, we're just getting started there. So tremendous opportunities from 5G to cloud to automotive that are going to span over the next decade plus. And that's why we're really excited about the prospects of this company. It's very unique, the position we're in.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.